ServiceNow versus SAP. Which one is the best? ServiceNow and SAP are both enterprise-grade platforms, but they serve different purposes. Let's compare them. First is the ServiceNow. It is best for IT service management and large enterprises. It has a robust IT service management and IT operation management or ITOM, with AI-powered workflows and automations, highly customizable with advanced integrations. It is also great for large enterprises needing end-to-end IT solutions, but it's expensive and complex setup. Steep learning curve for new users. But when it comes to SAP, it has a comprehensive ERP for finance, supply chain, and HR, and more, and an industry-specific solution for manufacturing, retail, and logistics, with an advanced data analytics and report tools. It is also best for large businesses managing complex operation. Expensive and complex to implement. Steep learning curve for new users. And now let's go to our final verdict. Use ServiceNow if you need a robust ITSM and workflow automation platform. Use SAP if you require an all-in-one ERP system for business operations and resource planning. Which one do you prefer? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching.